Hello and welcome back to Vipin Coding. This is our next video for Python quiz series. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and share our video so that they can also get some knowledge about Python. So let's get started. Our first question is, what are the two main types of functions in Python? First option is system function, second one is custom function, third one is built-in function and user-defined function, and last one is user function. Let's see the answer for this question is built-in and user-defined function. Built-in functions are and user-defined functions. The built-in functions are part of the Python language. For example, directory, length, or ABS. The user-defined functions are functions created with the define keyword, def keyword. Right? Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python program? Define add item, then list param plus equals to 1, my list equals to 1 2 3 4, add item to my list and print length of my list. Then what will be we get the output for this code, and your options are 5 8 2 1. Next answer for this question is 5. Plus will append the element to the list. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is a Python tuple? There are 4 options: 1 2 3, brackets, curly brackets, empty, in square brackets 1 2 3 and parenthesis 1 2 3. Your answer is parenthesis 1 2 3. Tuples are represented by round brackets. Okay. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Z equals to set ABC $DE. A in Z. But we will get error, true, false and no output. Let's see the answer. Answer is true. The code shown above is used to check whether a particular item is a part of a given set or not. Since A is a part of the set G, the output is true. Note that this code would result in an error in the absence of the codes. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python expression? Round 4.576. Then what will be the output? Our options are 4, 4.6, 5 and 4.5. Let's see the answer. 5. Our answer is 5. This is a built-in function which rounds a number to give precision in decimal digits. In the above case, since the number of decimal places has not been specified, the decimal number is rounded off to a whole number. Hence, the output will be 5. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe now.